Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho Expense for US mileage and per diem easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Zoho Expense for US mileage and per diem, start by logging into your Zoho Expense account. Navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, select the policies option. Under the policies section, click on mileage policy. Here, you will find options to create or edit existing mileage policies. To create a new policy, click on the Add Policy button. Fill in the required details, such as the policy name and reimbursement rates. Make sure to set the mileage rate according to the current IRS guidelines. Once done, click Save to finalize your mileage policy. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Per Diem Policy. Similar to the mileage policy, click on Add Policy to create a new per diem policy. Fill in the necessary fields, including the policy name and the per diem amount. Specify whether the per diem is for domestic or international travel. Select the applicable expense types that will use this per diem rate. After entering all the details, click Save to create your per diem policy. Now, navigate back to the main dashboard. Click on the Travel tab to create a new travel request or expense. Fill in the necessary information, including the purpose of travel, destination, and travel dates. Select the appropriate mileage and per diem policies from the drop-down menus. Ensure all relevant details are filled out accurately. Once verified, submit the travel request for approval. Monitor the request status to ensure timely processing. After approval, you can begin entering your mileage and per diem expenses. Enter each expense detail, including the date, time, and distance traveled for mileage. For per diem, enter the daily allowances based on the approved policy. Finally, submit your expenses for reimbursement. Review the reimbursement report for accuracy before finalizing submission. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.